Hi, it's Lamborghini Corvette. Here's a 1999 Toshiba. Um, that normally a lot of times the VCR breaks on those TVs that you get with the VCRs, and I just fixed it. And here's how you put it together. There's what it looks like inside. I had to fix this, and that little bar. That's normally what the track falls off, and then it breaks. Screw on the two screws on each side, four total. Now put it in the slot and bolt it down. And bolt it down in place. Now wire it up. And drop the top on. Bolt back down the cable wire box at the top. And bolt down the frame. Now you have a perfectly good working TV. Hope this video helped. This TV is a Toshiba.